Welcome back to Ryan Campbell Soup to Nuts. And this episode, hey, I'm gonna be doing coating the wheels with the AMMO Gelee. I'll show you that what I'm talking about. You'll understand. But I'm coating the new wheels I got. And I'm also going to be putting back all the brackets and miscellaneous stuff and rear bumper support, all the crap under the back of the car to get that all back put on. And my English is fantastic. Let's go!
You are tuned in to Ryan Campbell Soup to Nuts.
Hi there. They call me Randall. Randall the Vandal. I'm here to steal your girl. I'm gonna take your girl. Oh yeah. You probably thought you were watching a car video, didn't you? Well, little did you know that Randall was gonna show up. Randall don't play no games. Randall don't play that crap. Alright, so I'm going to be going into another area of the mood. And to coat the wheels, I'll show you that. I'll probably do like a sped up video of me actually doing the work with that, but I'll show you what I'm working with and, you know, this where I'm set up and everything, the product I'm using. And then after I'm done with all that, I'm going to be going to the underneath the rear of the car for the rest of the stuff. I got the diff in and all that, but all the miscellaneous brackets and the rear bumper support and all that nonsense in the back that I painted and coated and all that and cleaned up. Got rid of the rust. I'll be putting all that all back on. So that's what you're getting. That's what you're getting today. That's what's coming down the pipe. Down the pipe! Hey, hey, yeah! Ah! Alright, here in my storage area. I'll show you the rims and tire. I'll show you what I'm working with here. But this is where I'm going to be filming down here for putting stuff on the rims, clear, you know, the protectant, I guess you could call it. I have to get ready. I have to get the rims ready, the wheels ready to mount the tires. This here is the rear guys, and there's the front guys. So I want to get them mounted up soon. And here's the wheels here, still in the box. And this is the stuff I'm using. AMMO Gelee 2.0 wheel protectant. Protectant. Hey, keep it clean. Clean. So I haven't used this stuff before. We'll see how that goes. We'll see how I like it. But from what I hear, it's pretty good stuff. It wasn't cheap. If I remember correctly, it was like $50 shipped or $60 shipped, something like that. So lean more towards 50, I think. I don't remember clearly. It was a while ago I ordered it. But I'm excited. This guy, excited. Excited, I tell ya. Excited. Hey. Yeah. So next you'll see, I'm going to do like a sped up video with some musical entertainment for your eardrums. So next you'll see is video. I'll have everything laid out, all the wheels lined up, and you'll see me doing the coating stuff. So basically, before I guess I get to that point, basically, so what you do with this stuff is it's kind of like, it's like a jelly. It's what's called Gelee. It's like a jelly. So you have to wear gloves. So basically you just scoop a little bit into your hands and you just, I mean, you could do it, use a rag if you want to, but it's apparently a little easier and quicker. You just scoop in your hands, kind of rub around your hands, almost like rubbing in lotion. Not really on the back, but more on the front. I mean, we can like use it back here. I'll backhand you! I'll backhand you! Don't get fresh with me! But So you do it on the front, and then you just, working it with your hands. So I'm going to do 2 coats. Supposed to wait like 2 hours or so in between the coats for it to dry a little bit, and then after it dries the second coat, we can go back in with a new microfiber towel and just wipe up any excess that hasn't kind of soaked in, I guess. And then throw them back in the box and be ready to take them to get them out. Today, Junior! So, I had to change my game plan a little bit. I put the first coat on, it took forever to dry, so I couldn't even do a second coat. And now I'm at the point where I have to quit for the night, so I have to, clean off the dried stuff, and I don't want to clean it off and then do another coat, clean it off again, so I'm just going to do 1 coat and see how it goes. I mean, I could always go crazy and re-clean them and do 5 coats next winter or whatever the case, so... I'll show you what they look like. They're all dried. The stuff's still on it, so I just have to take a clean microfiber and basically buff it off. So I'm gonna do another sped up video for you of me doing a little wax on, wax off, wax on, wax off, wax on, wax off. Paint the fence, paint the fence, paint the fence, sweep the driveway, sweep the driveway. Here we go. Alright, so it was being a little tough. I got started a little bit, but I mean, it was going to take me forever, so I'm going to try a little bit of water. It seems like it's like super dried on, so maybe a tiny bit of water moisture will kind of reactivate and liquefy it so I can wipe it off. So we'll see. I'm going to switch to time-lapse because this is taking a really long time and this video file is going to be absolutely insane, so we're going to time-lapse. Alright, we're moving on to stage 2. Yeah. So I finished that pain in the behind of cleaning off. I guess I let it wait to I guess I waited too long and let it dry too much, so it was a real pain to get this stuff off the wheels, the AMMO off the wheels. I'm guessing I mean, I'll try again in the future, but I'm guessing if I ain't wait so long, it wouldn't have been that bad. But I probably made my life worse. Anyway, it's done. They're clean. I already put them away and everything, but visually on camera, whatever, or even in person, they look exactly the same as they looked before. It's just that the protector is there now. They're all put away. I'll probably back on video once I get them mounted and balanced, which I should be doing very shortly. But that'll probably be another video, but you'll be seeing that somewhat soon. But now we're going to be putting some crap back under the rear of the vehicle. Yeah! That's what I'm doing. Or I'm getting set up to do. I still have to get everything set up and line tools and all that good crap up. But that's what you're going to see a time lapse of. Okay? Even if you're not okay with it, that's what's happening anyway. I mean, I don't need your approval to get more done on the damn car. No, I don't. Let's go. Yeah. Alright, I figure I'll take a quick little video before I put everything in so you can see what I'm actually putting in. So, basically all these parts you see sitting here are going back up underneath there. And I don't know where most of them go. No damn clue. Hopefully I can check out the other Z that's sitting outside, and it'll tell me where some of this crap goes, because I'm a little lost. I know where the big things, that's the rear bumper support. There's 2 brackets for it. That's, I don't know the technical term, but it's like a tie that goes across from the subframe brace, maybe, I don't know. A couple of things, but there's a few, like this guy, no clue, 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 no clue. I'm so screwed. I gave up. Where's the goddamn towel throw in? Let's go. Let's go. So got all that crap back under the car, put in. It's a little bit of a jigsaw puzzle. Luckily I have the other car in the driveway that still has all the crap all that back end crap I stole, and I didn't take that out when I stripped that car. So I use it for reference, but I honestly had no damn clue how it went back together. If it wasn't for the other car, I would still be working on this damn thing. But let's get under there and I'll show you what I got done. Hey! Alright, obviously you already saw the rear bumper support I put back on. So got that all mounted up. You can see the sides of some of the metal here. The black here. Yeah, blacky. Alright, first thing, this silver. It's like the muffler heat shield. That's in there. That's in there. And this bar. This metal bar. This metal bar here. Bracey. It's a bracey. Get it all in. Get it all bolted in. Bolted it in, pa. I got one, there's the exhaust hanger bracket bolted in. Another one here, which I think I'm only using this side, because it's a single exhaust now, or it's going to be. Got this tow hook bolted in. This is some of the metal I got in there. Got some more metal in here. Metal here. More metal here. Got you some metal. You get me some metal. Hey. This box is bolted back up. There's a bracket that's like on top of this box. the bracket basically bolts to the frame, and then this kind of slides into the bracket. And there's like 1 or 2 screws that go through. I think there's 1 screw that goes through this into the bracket. So it's held in there pretty good. It's supposed to have a little play. Don't play on me. So that's the old. You already saw this. Hopefully, you already saw this video of doing the whole rear diff bushing. We got the rear diff cover here. We got the whole diff bolted up. Diffity here. So that's that. So, got some stuff done. Got some things bolted back into the Z, into the 350Z, as you could tell, as I just showed you. And, the next video you're gonna see, I'm going to be finishing up the engine prep. Gotta do some heat repping activities. I gotta put a couple of oil lines on and heat rep them. And I gotta wrap a little bit of wiring up and protect it to make sure it does not melt. I am its protector. They call me Mr. Protector. Yes, they do. No, man. Nobody calls me that. Not even my mama. Mama doesn't even call me that. But I'm getting a headache doing this, so I'm gonna speed things up for your viewing pleasure. Don't forget to subscribe down here. Give me a subscribe, give me a thumbs up, please. I'd appreciate it. And please leave a comment if you like. I'd be glad to talk to you, whoever you are. I'm a very personable, approachable guy. I'd like to think so. And don't forget to find me on Instagram, on TikTok. A little speech issue there. But on Instagram, on TikTok, on Facebook, on the Twitter, on the Snapchat, on the Tumblr, on the LinkedIn. I'm SOUPEDTONUTS everywhere. It's all in the description, so check out the description. And sometimes the description is a little bit funny. I try to inject a bit of humor. Yes, I do. And stay tuned for the next installment of my mental illness activities with a car. That's that. Don't forget to drive fast, take chances!